This 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 15BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, TV, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, external shower, refrigerator, air conditioning, water heater, awning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 15BH is 3,560 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.